Guys, sometimes you just gotta stop, soak this in. I mean, just take a moment, hit the pause. This is impressive. We're above tree line. I mean, I'm lost for words, man. This is just something. Soak it up, guys. All right, guys, we are officially at the summit. You might see that little car out there. Just past that is where I shot that last video from. It's really windy up here, so I hope this audio will turn out. There's Scott. And I'm Ridge Runner. So let me walk on the other side here and I'll show you what the other side of the mountain looks like. All right, guys, this is the crest. This is what the other side of the mountain looks like. I mean, these skies are blue of blue. Absolutely gorgeous. There's Scott again, so I'll give you a reference on where we're at. So, yeah, guys, get out here. Now, check this out for yourself. Soak it in. The photos you've seen, videos you've seen, don't hold a candlestick to being here in real life.